Pride London 2025. It's the 5th of July. I'm going to Pride this year because every time it comes around, I always debate, should I go? And every time I debate it and I think, no, I won't, I'll leave it. And every time it comes and goes, I think, oh, I should have gone. So this year, we're changing that. I'm heading off to Lanton Station, which is my usual line into London, all right? Riding the wonderful and peaceful Central Line. Oh look, must be Chinatown, dude. Yeah, where have I come out? I don't know where I am, dude. Well, Leicester Square Station. Okay. I've got my day all planned out up to like 5 o'clock. All right, well, let's sort of mosey on over to Trafalgar Square. Really haven't seen many Pride things. So I saw a couple of people with like flags and a couple of colourful earrings, but other than that, I thought this event was supposed to attract millions. I've seen no one yet. All right, let's get going. I had to stop my time lapse. Can you hear that music, dude? It's thumping. I don't know what that is. Is that the Trafalgar Square stage? I know that there's about 5 or 6 stages set up around the centre of town. You know what? I'm early. Let's just follow the music, dude. It's getting louder. Seeing more flags, dude. Something's going on. Whoa! It's amazing how the buildings were absorbing this sound when you were back down on the main street there. They must be rehearsing, dude. Yo. Hey, yo, there's a tea shop over there with security outside. Oh, I didn't realise how serious London still was about tea. I don't suppose you've got a Ace fan, do you? What kind? Asexual? He doesn't know. Is it just those ones that you got? But when I first arrived, it was like, where is everyone? But by the minute, there's more and more people per square metre. Hey, how's it going? Hey, could I get one of these wooden ones, please?
Yes, there you go. £10, my love.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Cheers, see ya. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the tenner. All right, got my flag. Got my sweeties. Now I just need to get in position and we'll be good to go. All these roads are closed, so you can pretty much just walk across them willy-nilly. Oh, there you go, look. The sign's gone woke, dude. Look at this. Oh, it's gone 12, so I must have started already, right? Up in Hyde Park Corner, I think. Oh, it started drizzling. I don't know what direction the parade's going in. I'm assuming from left to right. You know what? I've got a little roof over here. It's a wicked place to stand. Hell yeah, dude. Drizzle right as it starts. It's fantastic. It's only like light drizzle. It's not really bad at all. So I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. I'm just gonna watch, bro. I think that is what you're supposed to do, actually. Whoa, look, it's Gay Batman. Flag, dude. One now, which was about the time that I intended to clear off anyway. I gotta say, I've been sitting in the same place. It was a good spot, and nothing's come through for like 40 minutes. So I thought, all right, well, I'm just gonna keep with the schedule. Yeah, not sure what's happened with the parade, dude. There was about 30 minutes of stuff going on, and then it paused for a bit, which I expected. I thought, you know, they're probably gonna allow like, you know, 5-10 minute breaks in the actual parade to, you know, let people cross the road and stuff. But then it just nothing else came. I'm just kind of heading now in the general direction of the shop in Soho. They call it, it's just called Pride in London shop, right? I'm just heading in that general direction, seeing what else I can see, right? It's busy on this corner. What's going on? I think it's just congestion, right? Yeah, we can go through. We'll make it through. It'll be alright. Yeah, this is kind of more what I was expecting Pride to be like in terms of like how busy it is. Oh yeah, this will do. I'm in a pretty good position here actually. I don't know what's happened here. Look at the front of this truck, bro. And Aces, dude. Oh yeah, look, here it is. Oh wow, it's really getting busy up here. busy. Well, if we wanted to go a different way, there's no chance now. Oh my god, we made it through. I did not expect it to be that busy, dude. That's crazy. Oh, dude, the drums are so cool, dude. Approaching now, I think, the sort of Soho area. Oh, it is this down here. Is it open? Oh, it's very, there's not much there at all. It was like, it's a very small shop. You'd be better off with the pop-up stands around just the streets. Okay, well, I found the shop I intended to go to, but kind of sucked, dude. I don't know where to go now. The people standing on the balcony up there, dude, they've got the right idea. Bro, there's so much stuff here. This section is the Mexican embassy. Here comes Belgium. Oh, this is the EU Diplomats for Equality. Piccadilly Circus now.
Happy Pride, everyone, on Piccadilly Circus! Make some
noise! Oh look, dude, the Ritz, fancy, eh? It's like £1,500 a night to stay here, bro. It's crazy. Oh, dude, that's cool. Being behind these pillars, you really feel the bass bouncing off the wall. Here, this is still around the Piccadilly Circus area, a little bit further west from it. Right, when you look down the street there, you see how dense it is. It's incredible. Well, look, there it is. There's the start of the parade there. You know what else to do now? I've kind of seen everything that I was intending to. I was honestly expecting it to be a lot more like insane and crazy, you know, than it is. It's still cool though. Really don't know what else to do. I did have more on my list, but that's more like just things you could do in just a regular day out in London, bro. In terms of Pride, I think I've hit my limit. Oh. 20th Century Fox, dude. I think I'll just find an underground station and call it there. I mean, I've got some footage. I've visited, I've been. That's about it though, I reckon. There's plenty of stuff to do, but Pride focused? I don't know. I'm not sure. That was fun. I did intend to do more, but the things that I had on the list were, like I said, just things to do out in London. It is fun. It is cool to see, but I don't know. Maybe I don't really know what to make of it. It's a good thing. I definitely recommend coming at least once. Look at the state of them, bro. They are filthy, these trains. There we go. Back at Loughton Station after... Oh, dude. I didn't do it on purpose. That's 6.5 hours later. Well, that was London Pride 2025. Worth going, definitely. But I think my expectations were too high. I don't really know what I was expecting. Of everything that happened, I'm very glad I saw the Arrow Ace representation, because it was like 30 people and it happened once. Very, very sparse. I'm actually surprised. You saw the odd Ace flag waving around. They've chosen to have one of their flags flying at the top, the Ace flag, and I feel seen, bro. But very, very few.